Pandas matching database with string keeping index of database. I have a database with strings and the index as below. Now, I want to match the df1 with df0, taking the values where df1 equals df0 but keeping the index of df0 true as below. I tried with my code, but it didn't work for string and only matching index. I also tried to keep simple just last column match like, but blank output.
You can do. The first line filters df0 to just the rows where string underscore line underscore 0 is in the string underscore line underscore 1 column of df1. The second line converts string underscore line underscore 0 in the output df to a categorical feature, which is then custom sorted by the order of the values in df1.
Because is filtered df0 dataframe, then is index values not changed if use series.isen by df1 string underscore line underscore 1. Only order of columns is like in original df0. Or if use dataframe.merge, then for avoid loss df0.index is necessary at dataframe.reset underscore index. Similar solution, only same values in string underscore line underscore 0 and string underscore line underscore 1 columns.
If you want to support the channel, please consider making it subscribing.